Breadboard React.
This is a secret pair the cable. Silent F and system is Arduino Nano. Oh. Hello there. Bit of a mixed desk today. Well, it's Hari Ulang Tahun Republik Indonesia ke-81. So I'm working on a hand-drawn poster for one of our many national heroes. But I think it's time to shift that over to the back burners. 'Cause it's Stampo time! Yoo-hoo! So, let's talk about the three components nobody else here can work without. The breadboard, our blank canvas, the Nano, the artist who fills it, and the jumper wires that carry everything between them. Peel back the plastic, and the breadboard is really just metal, waiting to conduct. Down the sides, two long strips run top to bottom. That's power. Always on, always ready. Across the middle, short rows of 5 link left to right instead. No code, no thinking. Just a surface, waiting for something to happen. The Nano is the artist, and it works through its pins. There's 4 tools worth knowing: the 5V, ground, digital, and analog. 5V is where the power starts. Ground is where it comes back home. Every circuit needs both ends of that loop, or else nothing moves at all. A digital pin only knows 2 words: on or off. Ask it a question, it answers yes or no. Give it a command, it either sends power through or doesn't. Nothing in between. Sweet and simple. An analog pin, on the other hand, doesn't deal in yes or no. It deals in how much, a full range of values. The way a joystick tells the Nano exactly how far you've pushed, or a temperature sensor tells it exactly how warm it is, not just whether it's hot or cold. A few of the digital pins, the ones marked with a little squiggly line, carry a little extra magic: pulse width modulation. Instead of just on or off, they can dial in exactly how much. The same way an old oven dial doesn't just heat or not heat, it decides how hot. That's how we'll fade an LED or shape a sound later on. Oh yeah, and one thing worth remembering, the Nano drinks power through USB-C. However, it only listens through a cable that carries data. Grab the wrong one, and it'll just run whatever code was last uploaded. It'll never hear the updates you're trying to send. Jumper wires are the artist's paint and tools, carrying every signal between canvas and artist. And just like paint, they come in a bunch of colors. And just like painting, some choices just make more sense than others. You wouldn't paint a tree blue when green or brown looks way better. Same idea with wires. Red to 5V, black to ground, so the picture stays clear. Meanwhile, an LED is still the simplest way to see it all become real. More on that next video. The blank canvas, the artist who fills it, and the wires that carry it all. Now you know all 3. Next time, we wire it and watch it actually come alive. But until then, keep building at your own Stampo.